Today's video is going to be about how to teach our teenagers about money. The first way I've learned how to teach teenagers about money is going to be to pay them for the chores that they do around the house. I know sometimes as parents, you tend to think, hey, these are things you should be doing anyway. Why should I be paying you? Well, it's not about the principle of paying them for something that they should do anyway. It's the principle of teaching them that if you work, you get paid. Work, pay, work, pay. Nowadays, people are entrepreneurs. They're working for themselves. The second thing is going to be to, as a parent, know that your kids are going to learn by what they see more than what you tell them. And what I mean by that is what your kids see you do and see you handle money, that's going to determine how they handle money. If they see that you're constantly coming in with bags and you're hiding it from your spouse, if they see that, hey, the lights went off, but hey, you know, the closets are still full of clothing, the perception is going to be that the clothing and things of that nature is more important than making sure the necessities are paid. If they see that you're constantly eating out and never cooking at home, then they're going to create those same habits. The apple doesn't fall too far from the tree. So be careful of the fruit, the things that we're showing our kids, and expect them once they're older as an adult to just already know what to do. The third thing is going to be try to get involved in your kids' lives to figure out what they actually like to do. And once you figure out what their hobbies are, try to show them ways that their hobbies could actually earn them money. It may not be like a lot of money, but just showing them that if you're putting forth effort and you're doing something that you love, then there's a benefit for cash as well, or things like, for instance, if your kids like to make jewelry, then let them, you know, create the jewelry pieces and then go to different family members and friends and go through the neighborhood to see if anybody wants to buy something. Get them that entrepreneur spirit that while they're little, when they get older and they have greater ideas, it will be easier for them to go and seek a yes instead of being shut down by that one no. The fourth thing is going to be to show the kids the importance of saving. Give them a goal. If they want an object that's in the store, tell them they have the ability to buy that themselves. Tell them or show them, hey, as you're doing the chores, remember, number one, paying them for chores. Mommy or daddy's going to pay you for these chores that you do around the house. This is your goal. This is the bike you want to buy. This is the video game that you want to buy. It costs $50. Okay, you're going to work. How much or how long is it going to take you to work to actually be able to afford this item that you desire to have? Put the money in a jar and let them know, and maybe do like a chart to show them how far away they are from their goal. When they're wanting to break that bank or break the jar to get something else that's not their actual first goal that they're saving for, remind them, no, you can't get that with this money. This money is specifically for your bike or your video game that you said you were going to buy. Keep them consistent. That's something you can do and stay on top of them as a parent. The fifth way you can show your kids or your teenagers about money is show them the actual bills that come in the house as household bills, like the water, the electric bill, the cable bill, the internet bill. The reason you're going to show them this is you're also going to show them how their habits affect the bill. That way kids are not oblivious to, hey, if I keep the light on and I'm not even in the room, okay, no big deal. Show them that, hey, when you get your own place, if you continue with these habits, your bill will be sky high. That's showing them. And then also give them incentives that, hey, if you can help mom lower these bills and not keep the light on in these rooms, then maybe you can get the other wants that you need, but I can't afford it because the needs that we have for the light being sky high because you're leaving the light on, the water bill because you're turning the water on to take a shower, but you're walking all through the house and you're on your phone and oops, I forgot I was about to go take a shower. Show them that, hey, you're on the internet all the time. So that's a bill that I have. If you utilize these things less or use them effectively, then I can have that excess money to actually spend on something else or spend on something that you guys want, opposed to I can't afford it because I have so much expenses on the need side. These are 5 ways that you can show your teenager, your children, how money works. You can show them these ways. They're very easy to implement. It's a very active way of you as a parent of knowing or learning how much your child actually knows about money and the real world that we're trying to set them and prepare them to actually go out and become a part of. So if you guys are liking these videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Once again, share, share, share. If you have family and friends that you don't want to talk about money to them, but you really think they need help, then send them the link and I'll talk to them. They say cash is king, but I'm here to say now, cash is queen.